Hello children. In class 11 we have one topic complex numbers, and in complex numbers we have exercise 5.2, which is saying about standard form and polar form. First of all, we will discuss about standard form. So a complex numbers can be represented in standard form as a plus ib, and in polar form it is r cos theta plus I r sin theta. So if you equate these two equations, we will get a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta. Now squaring on both sides, what we will get? A square is equal to r square cos square theta, b square is equal to r square sin square theta. So adding both equations, a square plus b square is equal to r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. From here we can find r square. R square is equal to a square plus b square. Why? Because cos square plus sin square theta is 1. So a square plus b square is equal to r square. From here r is equal to root of a square plus b square. Here r is called modulus. Now we have another term, argument. Argument, it is actually angle theta. But we are not finding theta directly. We have to find alpha first. We know the equation alpha is equal to tan inverse of modulus b by a. So theta is related to alpha. We have to find how the relation will come. We know this one, quadrants. Add sugar to coffee, all positive, sine positive, tan positive and cos positive. So if A means r cos theta and B is r sin theta. If cos theta and sin theta, that means A is positive, B is positive, theta is equal to alpha. If A is negative, B is positive, theta is equal to pi minus alpha. If A is negative, B is negative, theta is equal to minus pi plus alpha. And if A is positive, B is negative, theta is equal to minus alpha. This is a simple trick. Some teachers will explain in another way, but just if you know this trick, it is easy to do the problems in exercise 5.2. Okay, let us start exercise 5.2, first question. See, find modulus and argument. So your complex number is given, z is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3. This is in the form a plus ib. So a is minus 1, b is equal to minus root 3. So we know the equation r is equal to root of a square plus b square. Put the values, we will get root of minus 1 the whole square, that is 1, plus root 3 the whole square. So 1 plus 3, root of 1 plus 3, root 4, that is equal to 2. Now modulus we got is 2. So argument is theta. We know that we can't find argument directly. So first we have to find alpha. We know the equation of alpha, tan inverse of modulus b by a. So we know b, we know a. We will find tan inverse of minus root 3 by minus 1. That is tan inverse of root 3. When will be tan root 3? Tan will be root 3 at tan 60. That means pi by 3, 60 degree. Now we already learned how to find theta. First we have to look a negative, b negative, where it will come. This 2 positive, this a negative, b positive. This one is a negative, b negative. So when a negative, b negative, theta is equal to minus pi plus alpha. We know alpha is equal to pi by 3. So theta is equal to minus pi plus pi by 3. So what we will get? 3 pi minus 3 pi plus pi. So minus 2 pi by 3. So we got argument and we have modulus. Now look at the second one. I hope it will become easy for you. Let us take the second one also. Z is equal to minus root 3 plus I. So a plus I b form. A is equal to minus root 3, b is equal to 1. So r is equal to root of a square plus b square. That means root 3 the whole square plus 1 square. So we will get root 4, which is equal to 2. This is modulus. Now we have to find argument. We can't find argument directly. We have equation alpha is equal to tan inverse of b. What is b there? 1 by a minus root 3. So 1 by root 3, where it will come? Tan 30. Tan 30 means pi by 6. Now we want to find theta. We have to check which is negative. A negative, B positive. Where it will come? Second quadrant. A negative, B positive. So theta must be pi minus alpha. Pi minus pi by 6. We will get 5 pi by 6. Hope it is clear. Just remember this one. That means what I explained before. This thing. If you remember this one, you can solve all 5 problems in 5.2. Hope everything is clear. Thank you.